Hi friends, today for math we're going to be doing some measuring, but it's going to be a little bit different today. Earlier this week we talked about length, how long something is from side to side, and yesterday we talked about height, how tall something is from bottom to top. Today we're going to be talking about weight. Weight describes how easy or hard it is to pick something up. If something weighs more, we say that it is heavier. It's hard to pick up. If something weighs less, we say that it is light. It's easy to pick up. When you compare two things, you can say that one thing is heavier than another thing, or one thing is lighter than another thing. I'll show you a few examples. If I'm holding the eraser and the marker, they're about the same size, but the eraser is a little bit heavier than the marker, and this marker is a little bit lighter than the eraser. Today for math, we're going to be going on a scavenger hunt. First, we'll go on a scavenger hunt around my house, and then you'll get a chance to go on a scavenger hunt around your house. We're going to be looking for two objects that are very heavy and two objects that are very light. When we find heavy objects, please do not try to pick them up, but you can probably tell with your eyes what types of things around your house are very heavy. I'll show you a few examples in my house first, and then you'll get a chance to do this activity at your house. Hi friends, we're gonna go on a scavenger hunt around my house to find things that are heavy and light. Let's look around and see what we can see. All right, I found something interesting here. First, I found one of Cooper's toys. This object is very light. It's easy to pick up. It's a stuffed animal. Lots of stuffed animals are light if you have some of these at your house. So this is my first object, and I'm gonna draw a picture of it on my journal, and I'm going to write that it is a light object. All right, let's keep looking and see if I can find something heavy. Oh, here we go here. Behind me, I have a bookcase. I don't think I can pick this bookcase up, and I'm definitely not going to try. But I am going to draw a picture of it and say that object is very heavy. All right, let's look a little bit more and see if I can find something that is light. Oh, more toys. We have lots of toys at my house. This is Luna's toy basket. There's lots of choices in here. This is one of Luna's favorite objects. It's easy to pick up. It's her ball. For my math scavenger hunt, I could draw a picture of this and say that it is light. And let me find one more thing, something that is heavy now instead, and somebody that's sleeping too. Here's my next heavy object. This is Luna. I don't think I could pick her up if I tried to. You want to say hi, Luna girl? So those are my four things that I found around my house that are light and heavy. For your scavenger hunt today, you're also going to be finding 4 objects. Pick 2 that are light and 2 that are heavy. All right, friends, now it's your turn to do the scavenger hunt, looking for 2 things that are heavy and 2 things that are light at your house. For your scavenger hunt, you're going to need a piece of paper, and we're going to be folding it just like we did for length and height. If you forgot, that's okay. I'm going to show you one more time right now. With your paper, you're going to turn it to the side the long way, fold it in half, pinch, 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 so you have a crease. You might have to go over it a couple times. Turn it the long way again, fold it in half. Pinch, 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 pinch. Crease it a few times like this, and when you open it up, you should have 4 boxes. Mine has a weird triangle in the middle, but that's okay. In these 4 boxes is where you're going to be drawing the 4 objects that you find around your house. Remember, you want to find 2 objects that are heavy. Please don't pick them up. Use your eyes to determine if they're heavy or not. And 2 objects that are light. Then you can use some comparing words to talk about your objects. You can say that this object is heavier than this object. This object is lighter than this object. You can also decide which one is the heaviest, it weighs the most, and which one is the lightest, it weighs the least. If you want to send a picture of your objects to your teacher, we would love to see what you found, and we hope you have fun with this activity.